Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find profile settings on Upwork, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app and then go to your profile, which is at the top left corner. Then click on the settings, and then you can see the profile settings option. Click on that, and then you can see some settings regarding your profile, like visibility, public, only Upwork users, or private, project preference, both short-term and long-term projects. Long-term projects, 3+ months, short-term project less than 3 months. Earning privacy, want to keep your earnings private, upgrade the freelance plus membership to enable these settings. So this is another setting, but you have to be a membership to have that setting option. After that, the experience level, you can choose between 3 options. Entry level, I'm relatively new to this field. Intermediate, I have substantial experience in this field. And expert, I have comprehensive and deep expertise in this field. So you can choose, and after that you can see the categories. You can edit this setting, and after that, if you made your change, then after that click on the save button. After that you can see the specialized profiles. So create up to 2 different versions of your profile to more effectively highlight your individual specialties. Sorry. So click on the add specialized profile, and then here you can see some steps, 5 steps, and then you have to give some information, and then you will have a specialized profile in the app. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.